Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover songs, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no. Don't need a magazine to call me a superstar, no. I'm gonna take this little house and make a home, and then I'll never have to face my nights alone. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea. And that is how it's supposed to be now, and that much I can say now. I'm pulling loaves of bread down from the shelf, and how rare it is that I stay up past 12. In the backyard we are going to start a garden. If that don't sound mighty good, I beg your pardon. 'Cause in my heart I hear you speak, and on my face I feel you breathe next to me. Two by land, by air, by sea. And that is how it's supposed to be now, and that much I can say now. If they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. If they don't love us, we don't need them. Let's find our own brand of freedom. I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor anymore, anymore.
These bodies can take quite a beating. Make love and heal broken bones, and keep you just fine until something inside the size of a speck starts to grow. A friend was a month from his wedding when he was sat down for the news. Then his wife, the nurse, took him over to church and said a prayer to the Savior they knew. And oh, sometimes I wonder if there's a reason life gets so hard. Well, maybe you'll find what holds you together when things try to tear you apart. The wedding was a hell of a party. We all drank and danced all night, and watched and smiled when he spun her around, and he held her body so tight. The next day his wife took a razor, shaved off every hair on his head, looked at his face and said, "I love you just the same," as they wandered swiftly back to bed. Sometimes I wonder if there's a reason life gets so hard. Well, maybe you find what holds you together when things try to tear you apart. first sat down in the waiting room after 6 long months had gone by, and they got the news that the cancer reduced and he was gonna be alright. But as he started remission and she kissed him on his head, he said he loved her and he was finally cured of any doubts he ever had. Well, oh, sometimes I wonder if there's a reason life gets so hard. Well, maybe you find what holds you together when things try to tear you apart. Maybe you find what holds you together when things try to tear you apart.
I've been sailing for many years, tried to find you and face my fears. Yes, I've been dreaming far away for that sunrise by the bay, but by the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alive. I've been wondering where'd you go? Tried to find you on the road. I crossed the waters and left my home. I looked all over for my love, but by the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alright. By the sea I'm alive. Sitting on my bed, packing my bags, hoping that someone calls me back, planning my next trip on a map, alone traveling round the world. And I would wish that someone asked me to stay, because I'm getting tired of walking away. My only destination is hope, and I'm missing home. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like to have a place to come back, a warm house of friends to tell them my stories. Yes, I really like someone to call me back next time I pack my bags. Do you know how it feels to travel non-stop, to live in a train with nowhere to go? And everybody knows me around the globe, but when I'm down I've got nowhere to go. The sun and the moon are my only friends, so I really need a home. A plane goes in an hour and I have to go, but I'll leave you this short letter just to let you know that I would like you to be my home and take you everywhere I go. So if you come with me, I'll never leave you alone. And if we find a place to build our home and tell our friends the stories of our journey, please come with me. And I love the adventures that I have. Love the adventures that I have. Like to have a place to. I just like to have a place to come back. A warm house of friends to tell them. Let me tell them my story. I'd really like someone to call me back now. Yes, I'd really like someone to call me back now. Next time I pack I'm packing my bag. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like someone to hold my hand. Next time I pack my bag.